Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action from the higher time frame to lower time frame and mark the current support and resistance levels. And when we look at the economical events plan for Monday will be August 29th. We have bank holiday for British pound and we have medium impact news planned for US dollar at 11:45 p.m. Let us begin our gold analysis. I am in daily time frame now. I have already marked the trend of the price action using the bearish channel pattern. You can notice that the price action has respected this resistance line and I have marked the support line also over here in green color. So in the past we have noticed a price action to respect this resistance and support lines, and currently the trend of the price action in daily time frame is in a bearish trend, and presently we have noticed the price action to take support on this support line and to bounce back and again trend on the bearish side, trend reversal. So within this bearish channel pattern, bearish trend, I am drawing one more channel pattern. The current trend of the price action is in a bullish trend as long as it is trading within this bullish channel pattern. When we look at the past price action also, similar price action repeated in the past also. So here also we have noticed the price action to be trending within a bullish channel pattern. Finally it has broken the support line of the bullish channel pattern and then it started falling on a bearish side trend. Here also we have noticed the price action to respect this resistance and support line and finally broke this trend line or the support line on the bearish side, trend reversal. So in the current price action also we are noticing the similar price action which had happened in the past. So history always repeats. It is very important to go back and check whether the similar price action had happened in the past so that it will help in predicting the future price action. And when we look at the past price action, we have noticed a price action to break with a high volume whenever it crosses a long-term support or resistance levels. Here also we have noticed a price to break with a high volume candle. So the confirmation on the breaking of this support line will come only when it crosses with a high volume red color candles. If there is no volume in breaking this candle, it will be only a retracement, then to bounce back on the bullish side trend. So in daily time frame, although the overall trend of the price action is in a bearish trend, currently it is on a bullish side retracement. Wait for the price action to break this trend line or the support line in order to get the confirmation on the bearish side trend reversal, based on which you can take trades on the bearish side. So these are all going to be the support and resistance levels for the price action in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, previously it was in a very nice bearish trend respecting this resistance lines. Again it has taken support on the bullish channel pattern from the daily time frame also, and it has bounced back on the bullish side retracement. Again it has retested this trend line or support line from the hourly time frame and continued its bullish side retracement. Again I have drawn a resistance line over here from the past price action and it has bounced back on the bearish side retracement. So if the price action doesn't manage to break this bullish channel from the daily time frame, we can expect it to again bounce back as long as the price action is trading within this resistance line from the hourly time frame. We can expect the consolidation to continue and to finally break on the bearish side. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, next level of resistance, it's going to be around 1759 or 1760. Only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect the further continuation of the bullish side retracement, and next level of resistance, it's going to be around 1778 or the resistance line from the bearish channel pattern from the daily time frame. So currently the price action is taking support on the bullish channel pattern from the daily time frame. Wait for it to break this support level or to break these resistance levels in order to take a directional trade in hourly time frame. And we know from the daily time frame that the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend. So any movement towards the bullish side, it will only be considered as a retracement. It is not a bullish side trend reversal. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the past price action in 30 minutes time frame, it was nicely trading within a bullish channel pattern, and it has given breakout from this bullish channel pattern support line or the trend line, and it has also retested this resistance line, which means that it is a valid breakout, and it has fallen on the bearish side trend reversal. Currently the price action is taking support on the bullish channel pattern from the daily time frame. Wait for the price action to break this support line and also the higher time frame support level of 1729 in order to continue trading on the bearish side. Otherwise we can expect the price action to bounce back to retest on the resistance level of 1744, and if the bullish side retracement continues, we can expect it to retest the resistance line from the hourly time frame. We have lots of resistance levels over here which it has to break in order to continue further on the bullish side retracement. If you are a conservative trader, I would always recommend you to take trades when the price action retests the previous resistance or support levels. It will be the confirmation on the continuation of the previous trend. Never enter into the trade when the price action gives a breakout. Always wait for the retracement or retest the resistance level, then enter into the trade. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame is in a bearish trend. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. Based on this bullish channel pattern, we are noticing the price action to take support on this trend line or the support line and to trend on the bullish side. As long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish side trend to continue in 5 minutes time frame. So if you want to take trades on the bearish side, wait for the price action to give a breakout from this support line. Wait for it to bounce back from this support line in order to continue trading on the bullish side trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. So looking at the price action from the daily time frame, the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend, but the current price action is temporarily in a bullish side retracement. Wait for it to give a breakout from this trend line or support line of the bullish channel pattern in order to get the confirmation on the continuation of the bearish trend in daily time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.